Welcome to day 2 of the Path for Relationships. In our previous session, we practiced our first inner exploration to get to know ourselves better and become aware of who we are with all that informs our identity. Today, we are going to continue working with this technique, and we will use it to heal and reinforce our own self-appreciation. There's a popular phrase that says, "Love begins from within." In order to be able to love someone, you first need to be able to love yourself. As simple as this phrase may sound, the task of loving oneself is a difficult one, and it takes patience, tolerance, understanding, and an open mind, but above all, it takes self-compassion. Loving oneself is intimately related to our own self-appreciation and self-esteem, and it will directly affect the way we guide ourselves around people and how we develop relationships throughout our life. Let us return to the concept that we are complex beings, as deep and as vast as the universe itself. What this means is that we must first discover multiple layers about ourselves before we can make assertive decisions about our lives and where we want to go or who we want to relate to. Everything around us and every person we interact with in one way or another affects the way we perceive ourselves and our self-appreciation. Consequently, this also affects the way we conduct ourselves and how we modify our behavior and interactions with people. We do this in order to better fit in, but it does not necessarily make us happy or satisfied with our life. To put it simply, love, well-being, success, health, and happiness, they all start within ourselves. It is only when we find full acceptance and appreciation for ourselves at a deep level that all of the positive things we want in life will begin to materialize. Find a comfortable position, making sure there is no tension in your spine and neck. Make sure that for the next 15 to 20 minutes, you will not be disturbed. At your own pace, take a long, deep breath, and when you feel ready, close your eyes. Take a moment to settle into this space. At your own pace, take a long, deep breath, making it as long and gentle as is comfortable for you. See if you can bring to mind one particular characteristic about yourself that you deeply admire. Something so great that it may have positively surprised you every now and then. Concentrate fully on this one aspect of yourself that you greatly admire. Now, see if you can remember how often you or the people around you have been able to see this part of you within the last 5 days. See if you can remember your self-impression when people saw that particular side of you. Self-respect and self-appreciation, recognizing our inner greatness and complimenting ourselves on it, are some of the best practices that lead towards loving ourselves. However, loving ourselves must never be confused with egocentrism or self-adulation. When we fully and honestly accept ourselves, who we are, and our own importance, we are also able to fully accept others, who they are, and their own importance. Getting to know ourselves better with everything that informs our personality, good or bad, positive or negative, generates a natural and deep humbleness in ourselves and a deeper awareness of the world. When we are able to admire, respect, and find our own worth within ourselves, we are also able to find all of these things in others. Thus, we build great relationships through an open and judgment-free mindset. Slowly bring your attention back into the room. Gently move your feet up and down like pushing on a pedal. Slowly close and open your hands, and at your own pace, open your eyes. Today, as you go about your day, see if you can find any particular characteristic that you deeply admire and recall in someone close to you. Admiration and respect for yourself and others are the foundations of affection, and if cultivated, will lead to love towards yourself and towards others. Congratulations on completing the second day on the relationships path. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.